Snowball is a production-grade, low-power and low-cost developer board. The key points of Snowball hardware are ARM dual-core Cortex-A9 at 1 GHz and 1 GB of DDR memory, Mali 400 GPU, HDMI output capable of full HD resolutions up to 1080p, radio devices, Bluetooth, wireless LAN and GPS, USB on the go to connecting USB devices, sensors, accelerometer, magnetometer, gyrometer and pressure sensor. The product development kit also has expansion headers to connect additional hardware. The Snowball board can be supplied with power by a 5-volt power supply or through the USB on the go port with a USB Mini B cable. For display output, you can connect the board with an HDMI cable to a TV or to a monitor with an HDMI input. Another option is to use an HDMI to DVI adapter and connect the board to a monitor with DVI input. The USB on the go port allows you to connect USB peripherals such as input devices like mouse and keyboard to the Snowball board. For a single device, you can use a USB Mini A to standard A adapter. Multiple devices can be attached through a USB hub, which is connected to the board with a Mini A to Mini B cable or with a Mini A to standard B cable, depending on which type of cable the hub requires. For a serial console access, a standard Mini B cable is used. Start by connecting the display to the HDMI port. Make sure the display is off when you do this. Second, connect a USB hub with input devices to the USB on the go port. You can do this also after the device is running. Next, connect the board to a host computer to get serial console access. You don't need to do this if you don't need serial console for debugging. The serial USB connector is connected to the host computer with a Mini B cable. The board will show up as a USB serial device, just like the USB serial adapters. As the on-the-go port is used for input devices, a power supply needs to be used to power the board. When you connect the power supply, the device will power on and boot up to the pre-installed software. Turn on the monitor and watch from the serial console as the boot up process advances and the pre-installed software comes up on the display.